Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Galaxy Watch 4 and make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS. Install the Samsung Galaxy Watch app from the App Store and open it now. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and location services. On the watch, swipe to wake and power it on. Once the watch displays language and pairing prompts, tap Start on the phone app to scan. This starts a secure handshake so the devices can exchange pairing codes. When the app finds the watch, you'll see a 6-digit code appear on both screens. Confirm they match and accept the pairing request. Next, grant required permissions, notifications, contacts, and health data so complications and alerts work properly. Choose your watch model if prompted and follow the guided setup. Install companion plugins, pick watch faces, and enable Samsung Health syncing. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular details are entered when requested, so data sync continues in the background. Once setup finishes, allow the initial sync to complete. It may take several minutes for apps and health data to appear. Test notifications and a quick call to confirm audio routing, then check Samsung Health data sync. If something is off, make sure background app refresh is enabled and permissions were granted. If pairing fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, or remove and re-add the watch in the app. As a last resort, reset network settings on the iPhone or factory, reset the watch and repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.